Today we are going to play the debate between Western culture and Indian culture, and we are in the favor of Western culture and they are in the favor of Indian culture. So start.
Okay, so definitely as we are living in India, so we are going to follow the Indian culture because India is very traditional place, and here you can see the each and every kind of culture which is totally connected to each other as well as totally different as well. And you can find each and everything in the food, in the tradition of culture, in the living their lifestyle as well as their clothes.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I'm not agree with your point. If you are following the Indian culture, so you are now wearing the tradition Western dress up. You are wearing the Western dress up. So it's not according to me. It's not particularly everyone following the Indian culture.
Actually, ma'am, I'm not agree with your point. If we are wearing something like that, so it doesn't mean that we are following Western culture. It's our comfort, okay, and it doesn't mean that we are following Western culture. We are Indian and we are following our Indian culture. If it's about food,
I don't agree, ma'am, because in Western culture you are allowed to wear what you want to wear, but in India there is a tradition of child marriage, but all these of tradition are not in Western countries. Parents are forcing their child to do early marriage. This
Okay. I'm not agree with you, ma'am. Also, your partner also like a beard, like a suit, and she looks very good. And according to me, we are earning the money and the specialty for the like festival, the beard, the like suit and salwar and the sarees, and you look like a different from the another day.
What
That's
are
why
the
we
means of the different? She is looking like a Western culture. She is also wearing a Western dress. How can say that this is looking very different Western culture? You know what is the Western culture? What is the differences of the Indian and Western culture? You are talking about Indian culture.
Brother, just wait. I want to tell you what is the Western culture. Western culture, there are some people, they are wearing the short dresses. So how much the short dresses is seriously harm for us? Do you know about it? Like our culture does not provide these types of short dresses. The thing is that you were talking about the dresses.
So sorry,
and
sir, but I am favor in the Western culture, as we know that the Western culture is going on, and it's very good because we are feeling very comfortable in the Western culture, like the t-shirt and the jeans and the trouser. And as we know that we are playing the Western games like the football and the cricket, it is the Western game, and it's very comfortable, and we can earn lots of money by the playing of the Western game.
okay, so sorry, ma'am, I don't think you feel comfortable in the Western dress, because if you will wear a Indian culture dress, so you will look like a beautiful. We know that there is a sari
So, ma'am,
suit.
as you are also in having with a Western dress, and we all know in Western dress girls and boys look very good and appear good, and we all know, we all are here, I can say mostly people have Western dress, and we all know about the Western. We are accepting Western things also in formal life and also in formal and informal life.
Okay,
and we
sir.
all know about the
Sir, with the help of globalization, we get the Western culture, that the transfer of things is very easy. That's the very bad thing that we get for the India. Why I am saying this? We are traditional playing like kabaddi. That's the traditional. Our ancestors are playing that game, and we are so happy with that game. But in the Western culture, we got.
So as you are
gym
talking
and
about the globalization, so let me tell you first, globalization offers us the things which is better for us. If we are accepting the Western culture, that means it is good for us. And Western culture considered as the safest culture in the world for the for the girls.
So definitely not that. If I would like to give you a reminder that definitely if you will go to the Western country, so there you will not find the family. All the peoples and all the students are living in their living, and they don't talk to their family, and it is totally
I disagree
uncomfortable
with your
for
point,
them.
because if you can see that lot of people that following the Western culture, because they are making the Father's Day, Mother's Day, and every day they are making, but this is not the Indian culture. So why are you following this culture? Because this is also Western culture, and you can see the modern people are going to party, they are going to club and anywhere.
Ma'am, sir, you said the girls are safe with the Western culture. How? If you go any girls in the short dress in that Indian street, they get the chance of rape, and any other community means very bad thing that I cannot able to say that. But this is not good. But if you wear an Indian culture dress, no girls can harm with this type of mentality people. I think people are not wrong in this. Because we see the dresses of the girls, we cannot close our eyes. God given eyes, we have to see that.
So just tell me first of all,